Hello students, have your seats. Today in this session we are going to discuss various type of functions of lysosomes. In last session we have gone through the structure and origin and discoveries of lysosomes. I am hoping that you have already watched that video. Just at the end of that session we have uploaded the video number 15 regarding the structure, origin and discoveries of the lysosome. Now in this session we have to discuss exclusively regarding functions of the lysosome. As you know, lysosomes are very tiny membrane bound sac-like cell organelles found in most of the eukaryotic cells. And in that session we have already discussed that lysosomes are called as digestive bags of eukaryotic cells. Why they are called digestive bags, in that session we have already discussed. Again I am repeating, this membrane bound cell organelles of eukaryotic cells contain number of hydrolytic enzymes, more than 40 types of hydrolytic enzymes, and with the help of those enzymes these cell organelles are capable to digest most of the contents of eukaryotic cells. Due to this reason, the lysosomes are called as digestive bags of cells. Now we should know one of the very important information, that all the enzymes found in lysosomes are active or work in acidic medium at pH 5 value. Now we will discuss the functions of lysosomes one by one. First function, the lysosome protect the cells from harmful external materials and microbes such as bacteria, viruses, which enters inside the cell. By the process of intracellular digestion with the help of their various type of enzymes, they digest the external material as well as the microbes. For digesting the external materials and microbes, basically the lysosomes engulf those material by the process of phagocytosis and pinocytosis. Do you know about phagocytosis or pinocytosis? Okay, I am explaining here. Phagocytosis is the process in which cell or cell organelles like lysosome, WBC itself engulfs the solid particles, solid foreign particles, solid microbes with the help of their body projections like pseudopodia of the amoeba. After that, digestion starts inside the lysosomes or WBC by making food vacuoles like a structure with the help of enzymes found inside them. Similarly, the pinocytosis is also a process of engulfing, but in this case, the foreign particles are in the form of liquid. Here we will define the pinocytosis. Pinocytosis is that cellular process in which the certain cell organelles like lysosome or the entire cell like WBC also engulf the liquid foreign materials with the help of pseudopodia like projections, and then by producing food vacuoles, the digestion of those liquid foreign particles starts inside the cell organelles or cell itself. This complete process is called as pinocytosis. By this way, the lysosomes protect the cells from the harmful external materials and microbes which enters into the cells. Now, second and important function of lysosome is that the lysosomes actually serves as a garbage disposal system inside the eukaryotic cells. How they do as garbage disposal system, we will understand here. Whenever the certain contents of the cell, certain cell organelles of the cell get damaged or worn out, the lysosome digest those cellular contents and cell organelles with the help of their digestive enzymes and facilitate the replenishment inside the cell, so that replacement of those type of cellular contents and cell organelles may take place inside the cell. By this way, here we are finding the lysosomes serves just like a scavenger, just like a demolition squads by removing the debris from the cell. And this is the reason they are also called as cellular housekeeper. These are the name based on their function of removing the waste and damaged cellular contents and worn out cell organelles from the cell. Thus, here we are finding that lysosomes serves as a garbage disposal system inside the eukaryotic cells. Now we will discuss the third property of lysosomes. We know that lysosomes contains various type of digestive enzymes, and they are capable to digest almost all contents of cell. In this context, we should know here, whenever the particular cell worn out due to certain metabolic disturbances, aging, the entire cell gets damaged and is about to die. In that case, the lysosomes instantly digest the complete cell with the help of their hydrolytic enzymes. By this way, the lysosomes kill its own cell. So, in that case, lysosomes are called as suicide bag because it serves to kill its own cell in which they are found. And the process by which the lysosomes is dissolving, digesting its own cell is called as autolysis. In other words, we may tell, whenever a certain cell is about to die due to certain metabolic disturbances or worn out or aging factor, the lysosomes digest the complete its own cell by the process of autolysis with the help of their hydrolytic enzymes. And so, again I am repeating, they are called as suicide bag inside the eukaryotic cell. Now we will discuss the fourth function of the lysosomes. Here, in these cases, first, second and third, we are finding they are performing the intracellular digestion inside the cell. But sometimes they also perform extracellular digestion. There are certain examples here. You see, they digest the sperm membrane, that is acrosome, and they help in fertilization. They facilitate the fertilization by dissolving the sperm membrane. Second example of external digestion performed by lysosomes is during metamorphosis of frog. They digest the embryonic tissues like gills, tails of the tadpole and utilize them. Now, fifth and last function of lysosome is that it is an example of intracellular digestion performed by lysosomes. This function is that whenever the organisms suffers from starvation, there is want of food. In that case, the lysosome digest the stored foods of the cells like fats and glycogens by the process of autophagy, so that the cell as well as the entire organisms may get energy. These are the main function of the lysosomes. In next session, we will discuss regarding the types of the lysosome. Here, listen, the students. Again, I am suggesting you you watch all the YouTube videos uploaded by this institute whenever you get the time after this classroom tutorial, so that you can revise without going through the tedious work of reading the book and preparing the notes. See you again in the next session. Thank you very much.